excerpt from a novella entitled A Moment Too Soon. Meet the new boss. Same as the old boss. Regime change happened upon us in a few wicked months. You kept your head down, and when you finally decided to take a chance and to look up, you found that things had not changed all that much. Yes, the décor had changed. Old heroes were replaced by new ones. Our flag lost its cross and bold red lines for a plain dark blue background dotted with stars. Oh yes, with the word Libertas scrolled in white on the top left-hand corner. Our national anthem changed, now in a minor key, more solemn than the previous one, but much less catchy. It was composed by a well-known musician who had died valiantly during the recent upheaval. We were now for what we were once against, regardless of the soundness of the previous stance. Old scores were settled with interest. Other people now kept an eye on you for the same reasons the previous ones had. Soon the euphoria of victory, felt by the formerly oppressed, had morphed into something not oppressive, but with familiar, unsettling undertones. Our leaders quickly moved on from seeking freedom or libertas, as our flag proudly proclaimed, to making money, lots of it. The true believers felt betrayed, a recipe for another movement to be conceived. No matter if some of the positions adopted by this new movement contradicted old positions once proudly held. If you were good enough at it, you can argue your way around